We assist the clients on laying out furniture and products so that, for example, natural light can get through to all the staff. Maybe there's different levels of privacy required, be it visual or acoustical privacy required in the office. We find that every company has a unique culture, and no two companies are the same. So not everything can be fit into a cookie cutter. What works for one person in administration or accounting doesn't necessarily work for a person in sales, and vice versa.
Each client that we work with, each corporation has a different aesthetic, and we try and use specific products to create that aesthetic for them. Whether it's a more traditional looking, like a lawyer's office, or if they want something fresh and fun, like an advertising firm, the products that we use are going to be really different, and they represent their company beliefs.
We work with companies that range in size from 5 to 500 employees. I think the needs of a small company versus a large corporation are somewhat the same, but they do tend to be a little more focused on budgets, employee retention, and making things work in their space so they can grow and develop over years to come. Again, and it's to assist the company in achieving their goals in productivity, enhancing their workplace culture, and even just ergonomic supports, how you sit properly within a chair.
In terms of a process, there's really two different types of projects that we work on. Either a negotiated job where someone comes in and they want us to fit out their space. In that case, we would typically do a site survey, look at their space, take photographs, measurements, and that kind of thing, and then work directly with them. The other type of project that we work on is a tendered project, which is typically done through a local design firm.
Sometimes we'll sit down with them and sketch it out in front of them, or I'll jump directly onto the computer because we have an amazing computer program. It actually has 5 of our manufacturers that are preloaded into it, so we can actually start playing around with product and trying to create the work surface or the environment that the client is looking for.
So the software really helps them see things in 3 dimensions, see things almost in reality. It gives them the ability to see all those parts and understand their relationships before they're even there.
What we're seeing now, more so than ever, is an open plan, which also then we have to look at acoustical issues. That becomes more important, or creating little pods, like little hubs of areas where people can then go and have those one-on-one conversations because it is such an open environment.
So people don't have, an office with a door anymore. They have a workstation or a bench station, and offices tend to have more collaborative spaces now.
The end goal is to create a work environment that is comfortable, healthy, and provides a happy workplace for employees, and that it also meets the needs of the employer and their budgets.